I will show you how to convert WEBP file to JPG file format. Save the picture. Go to the picture downloaded location. Then open WEBP file photo. We can't edit pictures in WEBP file format, especially in Photoshop. Then the easiest way is it converts to JPG file format. Close the picture. Right-click and check the file format. Then go to the Paint software. Drag and drop the picture to Paint. Then go to File tab in the right corner of the window. Go to Save tab and press JPG. Select the location which you want to save the picture. Press Save. Then right-click on the picture and check the file format. Thank you very much and like and comment to my channel for more videos like this.